U.S. authorities allege that Mexican drug trafficking organizations, or cartels, control the global fentanyl supply chain.
It is why DEA has made defeating those two cartels our top operational priority. To explain a little more, those two cartels dominate the entire global fentanyl supply chain.
But how involved are they really? In our new investigation about the flow of precursor chemicals to Mexico, we found that these groups were just one part of the supply chain. A variety of actors that move between the legal and illegal spheres participate in the flow of precursor chemicals and synthetic drugs. Most are produced and sold in China, where a network of chemical companies operates between legal loopholes. Some even produce fentanyl illegally. They then market and sell the substances online. There are also companies in countries like India that produce precursor chemicals with few regulations. In Mexico, those dedicated to buying precursor chemicals are middlemen and are not necessarily part of a criminal organization. They may be business people, importers, or front companies. Depending on regulations around each substance, each can be obtained legally, illegally, or through a combination of both. Precursors are transported to Mexico by shipping companies, international mail services, or on commercial airline flights. Once in Mexico, precursors are distributed to production networks in areas where criminal organizations operate. Production is carried out by cells of semi-independent cooks that must meet quotas imposed by large criminal organizations. It is only at this stage that groups like the Sinaloa Cartel and the Jalisco Cartel become involved. In essence, their role is limited to buying drugs wholesale from clandestine laboratories in Mexico, transporting them to the Mexico-US border, and selling them to another network that distributes them across US cities. To find out more, read our new investigation at insightcrime.org.